How to add signature in Gmail. So first, go to Gmail account and then click on the gear icon here at the top right corner. Next is just click on see all settings. From there, you just need to scroll down, look for a signature. This one, and then click on create new, and then type in your signature name. So just type in this one, and then click on create. Next is type in your signature name here again, and then you can edit your signature from here. So let's say I want to edit it, make it simply like this, change the font to like this, and then click on bold. And then you can also use the other options here to edit your signature. You can also add links and images. So let's say you're done editing your your signature. Now from here you can edit the signature defaults. So let's say I want to, for new emails used, I want to use my signature, and then on reply or forward use, I want to use my signature as well. Once you've done that, you can just scroll down and then just click on save changes. Okay, now to check if the signature works, we can click on compose, and then as you can see, my signature is here. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.